With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, here the question is light of wavelength 589 nanometer is used to view an object under a microscope. Okay, the aperture of the objective has a diameter of 0.900 centimeter. Okay, find what effect would this have on the resolving power if water, that means mu equal to 1.33, okay, fills the space between the object and objective. Okay, so it is the case of microscope. Okay, we know the resolving power of microscope, that is R. Okay, so we can write here, that is microscope. Okay, so resolving power R equal to, what we can write, R equal to 2 mu sin theta by lambda. Okay, so that means resolving power. Okay, so here R equal to resolving power. Okay, so it depends on the wavelength lambda, on the wavelength lambda, okay, of the light. Okay, the refractive index, that means mu, the refractive index, that is mu, okay, of the medium, between objective and eyepiece. Okay, sorry, between the object, okay, and the objective, okay, objective of the lens. Okay, and the angle theta subtended by a radius of the objective on one of the objects. Okay, so we can see that R, resolving power R, varies from mu. Okay, here water is used in the given question, that means mu equal to 1.33. Okay, so what we can write from here, that is resolving power in this case is more than that of air medium. So resolving power will increase. Okay, clear to everyone?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.